Hello guys, چطورین? Welcome to Rehun Pad. We have sabzi polo mahi, which you don't know what it is now, but you will. So let's jump right in. Fish, garlic powder or garlic, salt. Those spices are listed on the screen. All-purpose flour. Let's get to the serious stuff. For flavoring fish, spread salt on the fish. Maman, why didn't you use a plate? Yeah, Rehun, that really helped. Okay, now spread garlic powder or crushed garlic on the fish. And don't wait for me to finish the sentence. I won't. Now add spices to the flour and stir and stir and again and again. Just keep going, you can do it. Put aside the mixture for later and let the fishes rest in the fridge for 2 hours. It's time for sabzi polo. Yay! Sabzi polo. Hey, hey. Soaked rice. Wash the rice and add some salt to the mixture and stir and let it be for an hour. Now, a mama trick. To make sure if you've added enough salt, put your fingertip slowly into the water and taste it. Is it salty? You've nailed it. It doesn't? Add more salt. Chopped onion, chopped garlic, dried vegetables include what you can see on the screen. These vegetables can also be used fresh. The next step is adding rice to the boiling water, and when the rice is half cooked like this, it's time to add vegetables, onion and garlic. Then stir. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Let it be for about 3 minutes, then drain it. Now, how can you be sure it's time for draining? It's when the vegetables got darker and softer. First of all, pour some oil into the pot. Add turmeric. Spin it and let it get hot. Then add pilaf and make holes in it. That's a sad excuse of a damkoni. So let me tell you why we use damkoni. First, to prevent loose rice, and second, to close the pot tightly and prevent vapor to leak out. You see, there are 2 types of damkoni users. The ones who have the fancy one and the ones who don't. There's no room for further explanation. As you can see, we were unable to find a proper word for damkoni because damkoni is a serious stuff. So if you know, please let us know in the comments. As always, Mama saved the day. You remember the mixture we made earlier? It's time to use it. Frying time. Make sure that the oil is hot enough and the meat part of the fish should be fried first. Please check out the description for the detailed recipe. Enjoy your meal.